Some people ask here at Stoked on Printing, how do you get gold foil onto a shirt? So today we're going to go over how we're going to get this piece of gold foil onto a shirt. All right, cool. So now we got our glue here, and what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be printing an adhesive onto the shirt, and what that's going to do is we're going to gel that, so we're not going to necessarily fully cure it, and then we're going to take it over to a heat press and apply the foil. So as you can see, it's super thick. So that's why we're printing this on a 60 mesh, which is going to allow a lot larger of an opening so that we get a lot of this adhesive onto the shirt. All right, cool. Now we got our job set up. We got the ink in the screen. We are going to print one. So we're just gonna load this here. Cool. So now you can see we have a nice coverage of our adhesive, and what we're going to do now is we are going to dry this, and we are going to take it over to the heat press to apply some foil onto it. Alrighty. So now we've got our dried adhesive. Which actually looks kind of cool by itself, but yeah, so now we're going to take it over to the heat press and we're going to get some foil on this baby. Alright, cool. So now we got our adhesive. We are going to throw this onto the heat press. Slide it right on. And we're going to take our piece of foil, and once again, this is literally just a piece of foil. We're going to put this onto this. So it's a heat press, so it's a heating element, and what just happened was it is shot this platen up onto it, so it applied pressure. And that's really what you want, is just heat and pressure. Because now what has happened is the foil is only going to stick to the adhesive that we just printed. All right, so now we've let it cool down for a little bit. We are going to peel it up. So we are going just to take the edge here, hold the shirt down. I'm just going to peel off a piece of foil. Cool. So now, where the adhesive was, we now have a nice, cool, shiny foil. And that's how you do foil.